Concurrent Engineering and Product Development Workshop by Tonex. In today's rapidly evolving markets, businesses must stay ahead by streamlining their product development processes and improving collaboration. The Concurrent Engineering and Product Development Workshop by Tonex is designed to equip participants with the knowledge and strategies necessary to thrive in competitive industries.
This workshop emphasizes the principles of concurrent engineering, where tasks are performed simultaneously rather than sequentially, to reduce time to market and enhance product quality. It also covers modern techniques for integrating cross-functional teams into a unified workflow that maximizes efficiency. This comprehensive program is built to address real-world challenges and provide actionable solutions for improving design processes, reducing costs, and ensuring top-notch product delivery. Whether you're involved in engineering, project management, or product design, this workshop will empower you to embrace collaboration, minimize delays, and optimize performance.
Audience: Concurrent Engineering and Product Development Workshop by Tonex is suitable for the engineers, product designers, and developers, project managers and team leaders in manufacturing or R&D, professionals in aerospace, automotive, healthcare, or consumer goods industries, decision makers responsible for product lifecycle management, and so on. Course modules. Module 1. Introduction to Concurrent Engineering. Module 2. Cross-functional team collaboration. Module 3. Design optimization techniques. Module 4. Product lifecycle management, PLM. Module 5. Advanced concurrent engineering tools. Module 6. Implementation and continuous improvement. Request more information. Visit www.tonex.com.